Hello and welcome to SANPoint Institute Belagavi. This is Priyanka. So in today's video, I will be discussing about PGCET 2022. Okay. So now last year notification PGCET 2021 consider madidvi andra 2nd September 2021 ka notification was already out and the exam was conducted in the month of November. And today it is already September 21st and there is no any sign of notification yet. ಸೊ ನನಗೂ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಮೇಡಮ್ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬರ್ತೈತೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲರಿ, ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ MTech PGCET ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಂತಂದು. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ ಇಸ್, ಸೊ KE ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೋ, ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ನೋಟಿಫೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಾರೋ ಅಥವಾ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ನೋಟಿಫೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ವೀಕ್ ಅಂತಾರೋ. ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಲೈಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವಾಗಾರ ನೋಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ notified or it should be informed in the KE website that by this time you can expect the PGCET notification. Because what happens is usually November last andra they conduct the PGCET exam. Okay, so sudden agi like if they happen to release the notification in October 2nd week and all, so nimage 15 days time sigudilla odaka, isn't it? So as the things are not much clear and as you are not aware ki how much time you can expect after getting the notification till the exam, and if you are waiting for this PGCET exam and if you want to score well, then I seriously recommend you to study properly. So the students whoever have joined our course, they have already started. Yaar new self study madagattiri odri, because exam will definitely happen. As per what I know, there can be some delay but it will definitely happen. Okay, so nimage self study are ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, or else you can join our PGCET course also. It's your decision. And one more important thing what I want to discuss is, ನಾನು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು PGCET. ಅಂದರೆ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್ PGCET ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವು, ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಫಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ವೆನ್ ದ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಡಿಲೇ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ಕೂಡಲೇ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಕಂಪೆಲ್ಡ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಪ್ರಯರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇಳಾಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಮೇಡಮ್ ಲೈಕ್ ನಾನು ಗೇಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈ ಆದ್ನಿ, ಶುಡ್ ಐ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ದ PGCET ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್, ವೆದರ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಲೌಡ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಲೌಡ್, ಆಪ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್. ಸೊ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಾಗ್ತಾರೆ ನೀವು, ಲೈಕ್ ವಾಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್, ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್, ರಾದರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಟಿಲ್ ದ ಡೇ ಆಫ್ ದ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್, if I explain these questions to you, then the things will be very much clear. So once the notification happens, quick agi ನೀವು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay, so today what I have done is, on an average I will be discussing 70 questions with respect to PGCET. So ನಿಮ್ದು ಪ್ರತಿ doubt, each and every doubt with respect to PGCET will be cleared, no doubt in that. So ಮತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತು ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೂ still you can ask me anytime, that is not an issue. Start PGCET 2022 journey with SANPoint. Okay, so first I had already covered, second I will be covering today, and these are the other topics which I will be covering in the upcoming PGCET lectures. Okay, so now let's take the questions with respect to general. So let's take the first question. Who conducts this exam? This exam is conducted by Karnataka Examination Authority, that is KEA. Okay, remember this, and whatever the inputs or information is there with respect to PGCET, that will be available in KEA website only. Do not just browse in Google ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೋ, do not assume that those dates are and all are right. So whatever the information is available in official KEA website, so that will be the right information. What is the frequency of conducting this exam? So this exam is conducted every year soon after the final year completion of engineering. So this exam is usually conducted in the month of September, October, November, like that. Next, how many papers will be there? So this exam has only one paper. So because some of the government exams in our Karnataka, almost all the government exams have two papers. One is general studies technical, and if you consider SSC-JE, again two papers, IES two papers. So here also some students are getting confused how many papers will be there. So there will be only one paper. Okay, next, can I join MTech next year? with this PGCET results? No. See, for example, if you will be writing PGCET 2022, so you have to take MTech admission for this year only. So you cannot take the admission next year. Remember that. Next, is MTech only for teaching profession? Not at all. So even this MTech will be very much useful for your private company jobs as well. Next, how many MTech seats are there? So it depends on the college intake. So usually intake for every branch will be somewhere around 16 to 18 or 22, 26 like that. But ideally there are per branch 18 seats for MTech intake. Is PGCET exam only for MTech or for job also? See, this PGCET exam is for only higher studies. It is not something like GATE exam, because in GATE exam you can join even PSUs also, wherein that means like you will be going for jobs. But here this PGCET is only for master degrees, like whether it is for MBA, MCA, MTech, MArch. Okay, so remember, it is not for job or for any other purposes. It's only or flying abroad and all. So it is only for higher studies. Can I attempt MBA and MTech together? Yes. See, you can attempt both the exam. When you are filling the form, you can fill details as MBA also separately and MTech also separately, and you can attempt both the exams. But one thing what you have to remember is question paper will be different and the exam will be conducted on 2 different days. And the syllabus for MBA will be your aptitude only. Okay, so obviously all the engineering students, you are eligible for MBA also. Okay, don't get confused. Paper ಒಂದೇ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, different papers will be there. Next, will there be separate rank for MBA and MTech or it's together? Obviously it will be separate, because counseling, everything, each and every process will be separate. Next, any minimum marks in UG needed? So nimmed engineering olaga to be eligible to write PGCET exam, whether any minimum marks are needed? Yes. So if you belong to general merit, then you need to have 50% of your engineering result. Engineering olaga 50% minimum ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. And if you belong to SC ST category 1, then minimum 45% of your engineering result should be there. Okay. Next, is 3rd year or 7th sem BE student eligible for PGCET? No. So you should be graduate. That is, you should have completed 8th sem of engineering or above 8th sem. Remember that. Next, if my 8th sem results are not yet announced, will I be eligible? Yes, of course you will be eligible, because see, when we will be applying for the PGCET form, that time usually 8th sem results would have not come. So you can mention as waiting. I'll be showing one complete application form of the PGCET. You will get to know how the details and all are to be filled, and that application is of my student only, where her 8th sem result was waiting. So you can check that. You don't be having any confusion. Next, can I join IITs and NIITs through PGCET? No, of course not. Okay, so compulsorily you need to write GATE exam, graduate aptitude test in engineering, to go for MTech in IITs or NITs or in IISc. So this PGCET exam is only for the regional engineering colleges in Karnataka, apart from NITs, IITs and IISc. Next, is part-time MTech facility available? Yes, it is available in some of the colleges. You can check the college website. You will get to know that. Future of part-time course, how it is? ಹೆಂಗ್ರಿ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಐತೆ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೋ, ನನಗೆ ಮೆಸೇಜು ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೋ ಗ್ರೇಟ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ PG, that too specially MTech, it's better if you prefer full-time. So this is my suggestion. Decision is up to you. Next, will the chances of getting placed in MTech improves when you join MTech? So we cannot say that. It depends on the type of the college you join and how the placements and all in that colleges are there. So how many companies you will get for core branches, as well as how many like companies you will get for all together, like open for all kind of. So it depends on which college you join and how strong it is in placements. Next, will I have practical exposure in college? Yes, obviously, usually you will be having the practical exposure, but the quantity and quality of that exposure, it depends on the consultancies and the live project the college you join will handle. Okay, so then only you will be having the practical exposure, or else your MTech will be just 5th and 6th year of engineering. Next, will BE marks considered for PGCET results? No. See, I am talking about PGCET results. ಆಗಲೇ ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಿ 50% ಅನ್ನೋದು it is the eligibility criteria to write PGCET exam. But once you get the results, like for example, out of 100 you got 60 marks or you got 2500 rank something. So that result doesn't include your engineering result. So remember that. Can a 25-year-old attempt PGCET exam? Yes, there is no any age limit here. Next, is there any number of attempts limit? No, you can attempt this PGCET exam n number of times. Can BE Civil go for a mark? No. So this is very frequently asked question. So BE Civil graduate is not eligible for Master in Architecture. BArch is the minimum eligibility for a mark. How many total ranks will be generated usually? So it will be somewhere around 10,000 PGCET ranks will be generated. Next, will there be separate rank list branch wise? No. So iden 10,000 ranks ant helidnala. So this includes all the branch of engineering. Remember again, a separate rank will be there for MBA. But now I am talking about all the branches of engineering. That is, I am talking only about PGCET with respect to engineering. And these 10,000 ranks are generated for all the branches of engineering together. So computers, electronics, then IS, civil, okay, industrial production, mechanical engineering, automobile. So altogether somewhere around 10,000 plus ranks will be generated, and there will not be separate ranks. See, for example, you cannot say that if I write the civil engineering paper and once you get the result as 2500, so you cannot tell like what is your rank in the civil engineering category. We will not get to know that, remember. So here we will get like, okay, I am at the position of 2500 in the engineering rank list. That's it. So ನಿಮಗಿಂತ ಮೊದಲ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಸಿವಿಲು ಇರೋಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಥವಾ ಆಲ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೈಟ್ ಬಿ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಆರ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. We won't get to know about that. Next, is GATE exam compulsory for PGCET? No, not at all. Next, if I have qualified GATE exam, should I write PGCET exam? No, you just need to fill the GATE score in the PGCET form. So ಮುಂದೆ application form ಒಳಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ನಾನು, you will get to know that. So in PGCET form you just need to mention GATE score. See, for example, you are writing this PGCET 2022. Okay, so PGCET 2022 ಬರೀತೀರಿ ನೀವು. ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಓಕೆ ಗೇಟ್ 2022 ಯಾರು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅ ಮಿನಿಟ್. ಸೊ ಗೇಟ್ 2022 ಯಾರು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಮೆರಿಟಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು ಕಟ್ ಆಫ್? 30.4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು. ದೆನ್ ಒ ಬಿ ಸಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು? 27.3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು. SC/ST ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು? SC/ST ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲಿ ವೀಕರ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್, ಸೊ ಅವರಿಗೆ 20.2 ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಜನರಲ್ ಮೆರಿಟ್ ಇದ್ರಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ 30.4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆರ್ ಅಬೋವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈಡ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ಸೊ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈಡ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್, ದೆನ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್, ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫಿಲ್ ದ PGCET ಫಾರ್ಮ್, ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಜನರಲ್ ಮೆರಿಟ್ ಇದ್ದ ನಿಮ್ದು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ 29 ಬಂದಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ದೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಲಿಜಿಬಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, how many years GATE result is valid for applying PGCET? 3 years GATE result is valid. So ಈ PGCET 2022 ಬರೀತಾರಲ್ಲ, GATE 2022, GATE 2021, GATE 2020. ಸೊ ಇವು ಮೂರು GATE ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೀವು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ GATE ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. I have attempted GATE exam but haven't qualified. Should I fill GATE score in the PGCET form? No, it is of no use. You should not fill. Unnecessary, it will lead to confusion. Okay, ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಗಲೇ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು, ಜನರಲ್ ಮೆರಿಟ್ಗೆ 30.4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ GATE 2022. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಬೈ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ 25 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಎ ಜನರಲ್ ಮೆರಿಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ. ಸೊ 25 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ರೀ ಮೇಡಮ್, ನಾನು ಗೇಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇದು PGCET ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ 25 ಅಂತೀರಿ. ನೋ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನೋ ಯೂಸ್. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫಿಲ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. It leads to confusion unnecessary. Only if you have scored above the qualifying marks, then only you should fill the details in the PGCET. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಾರು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ರಿವೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ನೋಡಿರಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಏನು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲೀವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡೌಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಟು ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಸಡನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊತ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ಕಾಗಿ. ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So you can just rewind and check it again. But still, if you have any confusions, you can WhatsApp me. My number is mentioned in the description, or else you can leave the comment also. I will be able to answer. Don't worry about that. Because don't go with the doubt. Most of the students, what happens is, my friend told me like this, my teacher told me like this, something. Okay, if you get the correct information, that is well and good. But if you go with the wrong information, right, then your 1 year will go waste. Because as I informed earlier, this PGCET exam will be conducted once in 1 year only. Let's take the next question. Will I get the stipend if I join through GATE score? Yes. So you will get the stipend of 12,400 per month when you join MTech in AICT approved colleges. So who provides me the stipend? So this is the most confusing question for most of the students. So whether the engineering XYZ college which I joined provide me the stipend, or the KEA provides the stipend? No. This is provided by MHRD, Ministry of Human Resource Development. Okay, so your name stipend kodtaru. So college has no role in this. Once you join the MTech, you just need to fill the stipend, this one form, that's it. And after that, you will get the monthly stipend without any break. Don't worry about that. If I qualify GATE exam in second year of MTech, will I get stipend for second year of MTech? Again, this is also frequently asked question. ಈಗ ನೀವು PGCET 2022 ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ತೊಗೋತೀರಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಥ್ರೂ PGCET ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ನಿಮ್ದು ಗೇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ಗೇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆಫ್ MTech, if you attempt GATE exam and if you get qualified, then what most of the students will have doubt in their mind is, ma'am, will I get the stipend in my second year of MTech? No, you will not get. The simple reason is, you have taken the admission under non-GATE category. So when you are joining any particular college, either for engineering or for MTech, or whichever degree you say, whatever the condition is there at the time of the joining, that remains same till you are out of the college. So you will not get the stipend for second year of MTech. But the main students, the reason for writing GATE exam in their second year of MTech is, if you plan to go for PhD, then obviously if you want to go do in IITs and NITs, then GATE is very very good option, because there are lot of seats reserved for GATE qualified students for PhD, as well as you will get the stipend of 32,000 rupees per month. Remember, 32,000 rupees per month you will get the stipend for PhD. This will be the reason for most of the students to write GATE exam in their second year of MTech, and some of them want to test your technical knowledge also. ತಿಳಿತಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, what will be my PGCET rank if I apply through GATE exam? So your rank will be between 1 to 2,000. So ಆಗಲೇ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು, 10,000 seats will be rank will be generated, right? So in that, first 2,000 ranks are reserved for GATE qualified students. Again, all these 2,000 ranks are not for a single branch. This is for all the branches of engineering. So don't get confused about that. Okay. So first 2,000 ranks are reserved for GATE qualified students. Remember, what will be my rank if I write PGCET exam? See, if you haven't qualified GATE exam, or if you haven't attempted GATE exam, and if you get like first rank in your PGCET, nimd highest score madidri out of 100, then your rank will be 2001. Okay, so your rank will be 2001, and once the counseling starts, the first counseling will be done for first 2,000 students of 2,000 ranks of GATE qualified students. After that, rest 2001 to 10,000, like 8,000 student ranking candidates the counseling start ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. So counseling starts from whom? ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು, it will start from GATE qualified students. Oh, if counseling starts from GATE qualified students, then will I get the admission? Because MTech ಸೀಟ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದು ಅಗದಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ 2,000 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸೀಟ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೇನು ಸಿಗ್ತೈತೆ ರೀ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೋ. ನೋ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್. ದ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಈಸ್, ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಗೇಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ PSUs. ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದವರು PSUs, ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್, ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ IISc, MTech ಆರ್ MS, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ IITs ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ NITs ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸ್ಕೋರ್ 40 plus marks, then there are high chances of getting into NITs. ಸೊ ಯಾರು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವರಿಗೆ NIT ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ IIT IISc ಅಂತೂ ಸಿಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೊದಲ. ಸೊ ದೋಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ PGCET and they will come under 2000. And in no case these 2000 ranks will be filled. Remember this. Very, very few, hardly 200 or you can say sometimes 500 at the max will get filled based on the number of the students who apply through GATE. Okay, so 2000 will never get filled. You don't worry about that. So you will get the admission through PGCET, or else there would not be any point writing the PGCET exam for all the Karnataka students. Haudilra? Next, even though I have qualified GATE under reservation, still I will get this rank within 2000 and stipend? Yes. See, as I mentioned earlier, I will show you one GATE scorecard also later on. You will get to know that. See, for example, if you belong to SC/ST category, so GATE 2022 qualifying marks ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಿ ನಾನು 20.2 marks ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಿ. Okay, so GATE qualifying marks for SC/ST is 20.252, but for general merit it is 30.4. So if you belong to SC/ST, okay, and if you score marks equal to this or above this, still your rank will be less than 2000 and you will get the stipend of 12,400 rupee per month. It doesn't mean that even though you belong to SC/ST, you need to score 30.4 marks. Okay, so all this I'll be showing screenshot also as a proof later on, so that if you see the screenshot which is from KEA notification website only, then you will get to have the confirmation. Okay, next, will there be any stipend like GATE after attempting PGCET exam? So ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಿ GATE ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈ ಆದ ಕೂಡಲೇ PGCET ಗತೆ ಸ್ಟೈಫಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಅನ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು GATE ಗತೆ. No, in PGCET there is no any monetary benefit. And also students ask me like, ma'am, whether there is any something like qualifying marks in PGCET? No, ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೂ ಏನು ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. whatever marks you get, still your rank will be generated. No worries about that. There is no any like minimum you have to score this much only, then only your rank will be generated. No such condition is there for PGCET exam. What will be my PGCET rank through GATE? So now if you have scored somewhere around 30 plus marks, ಅಂದರೆ ಇದೀಗ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋನು. ಸೊ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ GATE ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ 100 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈಡ್ GATE ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾವು ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ PGCET ಥ್ರೂ ದಿಸ್ GATE ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಂದು ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ರೀ? ನೀವಂತೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಮೈ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ 2000, ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ಯುವರ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಲೆಸ್. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್. ಹಾರ್ಡ್ಲಿ 60 ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 to 10,000 ಒಳಗೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ಬರೀ 60-70 ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈಯಿಂಗ್ GATE ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ವಿಚ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ neglect about this exam actually. Okay, so I will show you the scorecard also as a proof of one of my student. You will get to know that. ತಿಳಿತಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ again I will be making a very very detailed video of this in future, like for what marks. Again I have taken the results of our students of this year and previous years, and I have made a very beautiful Excel sheet, so I can explain you really good in that video. But as of now, this much information is more than sufficient, what I feel. Next, what will part-time candidate get the stipend if applied through GATE? No. Okay, so part-time students who GATE dintranu apply madidru, you will not get the stipend. Like there are no much facilities for part-time. And whether the stipend is available for sponsored candidate who opt through GATE. See, some of the companies and all like they send as the sponsored candidates for MTech. Okay, so that time even though you have qualified GATE exam, you will not get the stipend because you are a sponsored candidate and the company will be paying your fees to the college or KEA. So here there is no any such stipend, as it is considered like you are already a job holder. Okay, so the main thing of providing the stipend 12,400 per month is to make you like feel financially comfortable. Okay, next, SC/ST OBC students with valid GATE score claiming any scholarship from Government of Karnataka or Government of India are eligible for stipend? No. See, if you are already having any scholarship which you are getting, then you are not eligible for stipends. Will non-Karnataka GATE qualified student be eligible? Yes, and your rank will be within 2000 and you will get stipend also. Next, how many total PG branches are there for civil engineering? So around 15 branches are there in civil engineering, like highway engineering, structures, water resource, environmental engineering, earthquake engineering, pre-stressed concrete. So many branches are there. So we shall discuss that later on. Again, I will be making a video on this. How many colleges offer MTech? So more than 100 plus colleges offer MTech. Will there be any management quota? Yes, there will be management quota. Next, can non-Karnataka student apply PGCET Karnataka? Yes. So non-Karnataka student, because some of the students who are watching my PGCET videos are from non-Karnataka also. So you can apply this Karnataka PGCET. Can non-Karnataka student claim for any reservation? No. You will be considered in general merit. For example, if you belong to OBC, SC, ST, then here that reservation facility is not available for you. You will be considered in general merit only. How many seats are reserved for non-Karnataka students? So around 10% of the seats are reserved for non-Karnataka students. Which is the best branch and best college in civil engineering? So I will be making the detailed analysis of this and I will be helping you out with which is the best branch and all. So further in my list, in the beginning of the explanation, you have seen the list of the videos which I will be making in future, right? So I will be taking this particular thing in one of my video and I will be making a purely dedicated video on this question itself. So now you need not spend, because I can read new syllabus is already released. So you just need to sit and study, that's it. So you need not bother about this right now. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆಸೆ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ ಆ ಟಾಪ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಈ ಟಾಪ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಅಂತ. But it all depends on how much rank you will get, right? Isn't it? Hope I am right. So that's why you should concentrate on preparation. Next. So further few more questions I will be discussing from the paper point of view as well as application form filling ಒಳಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ in my next video. Okay, and again ಆಗಲೇ ಜನರಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನೇನು ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್, so you can ask me in the comment section. So definitely I will be taking those questions in my next video. And in my next video I will be explaining detailed syllabus also and form filling procedure also. And along with that I will be explaining like a GATE scorecard, PGCET scorecard, 6 years question paper analysis. Actually I wanted to cover that in today's video only, but this video will be like very lengthy, so that's why I thought to pause here, and the next video will be released on the day of this PGCET 2022 notification. So wait for that.